Good morning, everybody. TJ Look Up, we're here with Harriet. We're just chilling. I don't know who removed the trash can from the enclosure or who left that bottle on the floor, but I don't like it. I'm not a litter bug, but anywho, yeah, we're just chilling before work. That's a bird on the line. As y'all know, Harriet and I don't like birds, except for the ones at KFC. Just kidding. Nah, it's like in this part of Ontario, there's a lot of low-flying birds, and they're dangerous for people as well as animals, domestic animals. So yeah, not fun of the birds. Alright, she seems bored. She's already done her business. We're going back inside.